Arimi kuuma kaunti cia Embu, kirinyaga na tharaka nithi nimoritio mekinyie monanioini ma urimi mwena wa Embu niguo guthomithio njira njeru cia kugacirithia urimi na gutigirira kwina buthi wa irio. Muikariri giti wa monanio ma urimi gitaro-ini kia irathiro ria bururi Martin Mutwiri nianyitite ugeni arimi aya monanio-ini maria megwikinyio ni ataaramu a sekta itiganite kuuma urimi, githomo na ugima wa mwiri.
My name is Martin Mutwiri. I'm the Agricultural Society of Kenya branch chairman. That's Embu. I want to take this opportunity to welcome residents of Kirinyaga County, Tharaka County, Embu County, and all the farmers to this year agricultural show. We have a lot of exhibitors on board. Right now, over 100 exhibitors are already on the ground from various sectors, that's research, financial, insurance, agriculture, education, health. We have all those kind of farmers.
Monanio ma mwaka uyu megukorwo makimurika ucenjia wa riera kuona ati riera rikoretwo rigicenjia na njira ya kiriga na arimi ni mabatie gukorwo mecemba gutengerania na mogaruruku maya. Oho monanio maya ni megukorwo na kambuni iria cigukorwo cikendia mbegu na thogora wa thi.
Our this year theme it's promoting climate smart agriculture and trade initiative for sustainable economic growth. Generally, we have seen a lot of changes in climate, and to curb that, we have brought people who deal with various innovations in agriculture. So what I want to request farmers and the entire community, it's to welcome to this year show. They come and learn different technology, they run different methods in farming, and not only about farming. We have also companies which are selling seeds, and they are selling the best seeds ever at a very cheap rate.
Commissioner wa kaunti ya Kiambu Jack Obuor niugite ati monanio maya ni mabange na njira njega na megukorwo mari ma kirathi kia iguru gukiringithanio na monanio ma hau kabere.
Tumeona exhibitors wengi sana siku ya leo kutoka kwa mashirika mbalimbali na pia kutoka county governments na pia national government agencies zile zina deal na manani agriculture. Tumeona hali ya juu ya preparation. So hiyo inaonyesha compared to the other years, Embu show inaendelea kujieneza na ile quality ya production na quality ya show ni mzuri kwa wakulima.
Minister wa urimi Mithika Linturi netanyitwo gukahingura monanio macio muthenya wa gatano kiumia giki handu-ini ha Muthingi TV. Njitagwo Derek Gathombe.